Alright, so this is a brief tutorial on how to do some classifications for this project. Once you get to the site, if you click on Get Started, first thing that comes up is a tutorial, and since this video is going to replace the tutorial, I'm going to exit out of this, but you can flip through it and use the tutorial if you like. So the first question is, how many antinode regions do you see? And we're looking for regions where there is a significant amount of the gray or white fringes that are in a circle. And this region here is a little bit hard to see, but there is a lot of fringes here and so many such that they are all overlapping each other. There's probably another region down here and possibly a region right here, as well as possibly this one. So I'm going to count these as 4, and then I'll mark them in the next step. You might think that this is something here, but I can't really tell that it's anything, so for right now I'm going to ignore this. So now I'm going to use the ellipse tool to draw them, and I first make an ellipse. I'm going to move it. I'm going to resize it. Try to just circle the main part, and then I need to count how many fringes are there. And since I can't count the fringes here, I'm just going to say that there's more than 10. Say OK, and then I'll mark the next one. Mark this one right here. This one, they're a little faint, but I think I counted, I don't know, 2 or 3 on this one. So I'm going to say 3 for this one, and maybe 3 for this one. So okay. This one is really just that. There's really only like 1 or 2 there, so I'll say 2 for that one. Okay, and then I'll say done, and that's it. And if I wanted to, I can talk about this image, but if I don't, I can just go on to the next one. This is maybe a better image to look at, since there's a clear region here where I can actually count the fringes. There's another region here where there's clearly more than 10, and then there's this other one that may or may not be anything. This is kind of like the one we saw before. I don't know. I still am not really sure about this one. So when I'm not sure, I just tend to ignore those. So I'm going to say that there's just 2 on this one. So 2, and then I'm again use the ellipse tool. Get this big one. Get all the way around it. It's okay if the circle goes outside of the image. That's okay. Scroll down. Say more than 10. Click OK. Now this one, I'm going to actually count the fringes before I circle it. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 6 or 7 on this one. I'll probably just say 6 for this one. Again, start drawing the ellipse, move it around, adjust the size of it, make it a little bit smaller. This way, move it, and then say there's 6 there. Okay, and done. And again, if I wanted to, I could go on to the next one, but I think I'm done with this for now. So thanks for watching this tutorial.